fake, fake the bankroll, yeah, I got the pay. Running up cake, went to the bank, but I keep the blue face. They feelings is written all over their face.
All right, y'all. It's about that time, man. The car is about to go in the shop. As you can see, I'm about to get my booster pump installed, and I'm about to get my 1050X injectors installed, man. I got to get the car running optimally, but I am going to be on E85. It's going to be an E85 tune, so that way I can actually safely run E85. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back later and run a 93 tune. So I'm gonna get two tunes. I'm gonna get the 85 soon. Get that first, and the 93 tune is gonna be after. I'm safe. I can do 85 just because, I mean, the gas prices, man. It's cheaper, and where I stay at, E85 is convenient. So I'm gonna do an E85 tune, and then yeah. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll have this back by hopefully Friday. So right now it's Tuesday, 3 days. And yeah, we'll take it from there. But yeah, just keeping y'all updated with the car, man. We like I said, we at the shop. Good folks, good business, man. I told them everything that I want done, and they gonna take care of it. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So Elite Speed, they finally hit me back up. They just kind of giving me an update on like the car and everything. They said my car right now is making 494 wheel on a 93 tune, which is kind of funny because before it was making 502 on 93 to the wheel. When I went to the other shop, I'm not gonna call them out, but either something's wrong or somebody lying, because how am I making more power before I got any new injectors upgrades, and now I'm making less with the booster pump and the new injectors? So I don't know, I'm kind of confused on that, but we'll see, man. I don't know, we'll see what the E85 fuel does, and I guess we'll just go from there. All right, y'all, so update. So I got the car back. These are my old injectors, stock injectors, obviously. So yeah, everything's in the car now. We good. The only issue is that it's bogging out. I think I need a new stall converter, torque converter, whatever, to make the cam work in cahoots with like the idling and everything. Because right now it's surging. But I'm gonna probably have to get the dyno sheet, the test results on Monday, because yeah, they closed or whatnot, but it's okay. I picked up a lot of torque, and let me tell y'all, this car is a different monster now. Like the downshifts were already snappy, but now it downshifts exactly like a damn Hellcat. The RPMs hang just a little bit, but I kid y'all not, man. The car is like, it's amazing. So yeah, might have to get that stall converter, but yeah, like I said, man, it's cool for right now. But yeah, they're gonna try to see if they can get me dialed back into a safer, I guess idle speed or whatever, on Monday. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, y'all, we back at the shop. I kind of skipped some parts just because, you know what I'm saying, I got the car back on Friday. It is Monday currently as I record this. To make a long story short, basically the car was surging on the startup. So now right now they about to just go ahead and like redial it back in, get it retuned. And then yeah, I mean, tune's pretty much done, but yeah. The only reason why I'm out here is because they playing music, you know, copyright and everything. But tell me what y'all think about the back of the car, man. I wrapped it myself. I got this black, gloss black. I took like some of the stuff off, but kept like the stripes, obviously. And then just had the black right there on that side. But yeah, I mean, tell me what y'all think about that, man. I think that's kind of cool. Give it a nice little look. Um, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just felt like the back looked a little plain, so I kind of wanted to just like, I don't know, do something to it, but keep kind of like the original look and the original appeal to it. So I might add a little bit more back there, just kind of like bring out a little bit of the detail. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. Y'all, we are back. So the good news is they got the car, you know what I'm saying? They got it to stop surging to an extent, but it still needs a lot of work, man. I'm not gonna lie. The cam that I have in this car, with how it was tuned before, it wasn't really tuned. I wouldn't say not properly, but it wasn't tuned to like the best ideal kind of like number or whatever. But the issue is that because of the type of cam I'm running, I need to get a torque converter. So I'm just letting y'all know this right now. If y'all plan on camming these cars, I don't care if it's a stage 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is, just go ahead and spend the extra money and put a torque converter in the car. I'm not saying I cheaped out, but I trusted the, you know what I'm saying, the specs of the cam. And they said that a torque converter is not needed, which if it's tuned properly, yes, it's not. But when you start, you know, doing extra modifications and everything like that, you got to have those supporting mods to make sure the car is running as smoothly as possible. Because although they fixed the major surging, it still kind of surges just a little bit. But again, with the type of cam I have, I need to get an aftermarket torque converter. It's just not going to run the way it needs to without that. So that's more money I got to spend, more time I need to get put into the car. That's probably going to be close to about a $4,000, $5,000 fix, because yeah, the part itself is about $1,500, and then labor is probably going to be that or more. So, but it's all good, man. It's small like little things here and there that I'm just going to have to, like, you know what I'm saying, get ready for, just so that way the car is running smooth. And then that's perfect for, you know, a boost application later on down the line if I so choose to go that route. So yeah, a lot of people don't like to be transparent, but I'm gonna be transparent with y'all. These are my dyno results. So you can see that I'm pushing 494 to the wheel. This is on E85. So yeah, it was pushing more on the previous shop's dyno jet. But again, I'm not really too focused on the numbers. I am, but I'm not. But it's like 494, almost 500 wheel is absolutely amazing. And you know what I'm saying, I picked up a hell of a lot of torque. So yes, I mean it is what it is, man, at this point. Y'all be the judge, to be honest. Y'all can do whatever y'all want to do. Y'all can say whatever y'all want to say. Drop a comment, like let me know what y'all think. My goal is to get that number over 500. If I gotta do some shit to make that happen, I'll do what I gotta do to, you know what I'm saying, throw in Zeus, do what I gotta do. But yeah, this is the results. I'm not too, you know, hell-bent on what this number says, but yeah, man, as long as the car is running smoother than it was before, then yeah. So yeah, obviously I got the booster pump, I got the 1050X fuel injectors in there. So yeah, it's putting down a little bit more torque. Those modifications don't really bring it up power wise. It's just supporting mods to make the car run healthier. So the cam is a little bit, I don't know, the cam idle is a lot more choppier, I would say, than it was before, which is cool. It's a little bit louder, believe it or not, and the air fuel ratio is perfectly balanced. That's something that wasn't balanced obviously before, because I was running lean. So yeah, I'm gonna get the cold start going for y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what it sounds like now. It is gonna surge on the startup, and then once it gets to like that little idle level, it'll pretty much like regulate itself. So yeah.
Several hours later.
Alright, there we go, y'all. So it's finally idling the way it needs to. It took about almost like a minute 30, but yeah, that's pretty much what it sounds like. So okay, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I've been trying to find a good stopping point just to wrap the video up. Man, I'm telling you, like this video has been 2 weeks long. It's just been spread out over time from pretty much start to finish. But I'm gonna get a retune just because as cool as that startup is, for people who know, if you know, you know, it's technically not really supposed to be doing that. I got the extra fuel, that's not the problem. Got the injectors, booster pump, but like I said earlier in the video, man, the issue is the torque converter. I need a new torque converter. When I'm driving, the downshifts are snappy, but the RPMs are hanging. And then I gotta smash on the damn brake just for the car to slow down for me to get back into my power band just to get back up and go, which is horrible because the transmission jerks when it happens. And then when I'm upshifting, it shifts very sloppy. No offense to my RT community, but it upshifts like a fucking RT. I'm sorry, excuse my language, but it's just like, if you drive a RT, if you've driven a RT, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a delayed ass shift. It's very lazy, and it's like when you racing and when you trying to, like, you know what I'm saying, cut up, for those who be cutting up, you know what I'm saying, I don't condone it, but you know what I'm saying, if you cutting up, you know how crucial those seconds can be when it comes to you, you know, putting the commands into your car and you trying to shift your car. So, you know what I'm saying, I like my shit to be instantaneous, so that way I know exactly when I'm going to input and how to do it, and I can just kind of like get that quick snap and be in and out. You know what I mean? That's how I like my car, because that's how it was before. And then when I'm driving in high gears and I'm going like low speed, I'm just trying to kind of cruising, and I'm not trying to like get on it, it just surges. It's like buckling. It's literally like, if I were to show you out with the camera, if I'm like driving, it's literally, the car is literally doing this while I'm driving. And that is like super, super annoying, because it low-key feels like my transmission is trying to like grenade itself, or it's choking itself, and that's not smooth drive. So ultimately, I'm gonna try to see if I can get the torque converter sooner rather than later, which is gonna solve all of my issues that I just mentioned. But I'm gonna see if I can get it retuned for now, just to find a little bit of a better sweet spot, because I cannot drive the car like this, man. It's cool, it sounds good still, and I'm able to drive it because I'm kind of getting used to it, but that's not the way how my car is supposed to be getting driven. And obviously I've driven before and I never had that issue. So but yeah, man, still a lot of work for improvement, still a lot of things that I got to take care of. Like I said earlier, if you decide to do this, camming your Scatpack or your 5.7, whatever it is, make sure you just get the aftermarket torque converter. If you got the extra bread, just go ahead and put that down and get the torque converter with it. So that way you don't run into any issues with the surging. And then if you want to set the application up for boost later on, that's one less step you got to do if you decide to actually go about building your transmission versus swapping it out with a higher, durable transmission. So, but yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video. Like always, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, man, it's King Zeus, man. I'm signing out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.